So you can add alternating rows of color very quickly, even one line at a time as you add them. Like one more line here and another, one more line here. As you add text, it'll automatically add those alternating rows. I'm going to show you how. Go to Extensions, AppScript. It's going to be one line of code. However, we need to change our function name to onEdit. With a capital E, make sure that E is capitalized. We're going to just write one line of code. SpreadsheetApp.getActiveSpreadsheet. Make sure you add that parentheses. getDataRange, parentheses. Make sure you add the parentheses. applyRowBanding, and parentheses. That is it. Those 4 functions all together with the dots saying in this spreadsheet file, get the data range, and apply row banding. And it's going to be very basic. It's going to be this particular gray. You just have to save, either Command S or click the project button up here. And once you do that, then you can add some text, some more text, and more. And it'll change the entire data range. So that's only the range that has data. Right, so you see column FG and all of these rows do not have that. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.